from Monson, Massachusetts. The snow is 6 feet deep. Come down here.
I'm panning down.
I can't even stand here. I got it all the way up to my knees. Come look at this. This is my driveway. Can't make it out of our driveway. We have about 12 inches of snow.
At least.
At least 12 inches of snow.
This is my friend Beth. Beth lives upstairs. Come slide down the hill, Beth.
Here I come. Live from Monson Savings Bank. It's 1 p.m. 26 degrees. Snow is 2 feet deep, coming up on our waist now. This is the most snow we've ever had in Monson, Massachusetts, ever, since the blizzard of 1978.
It's record snowfall.
Record snowfall. Snowplow guy wants to get in here and snow plow. We have to remove ourselves from the premises right now. Here comes a lady that went shopping at Adams.
Oh, Adams is open? Wow. Really?
Yeah, at least. At least.
Up to here on me.
Yeah.
Wow. So we got 2 feet of snow.
I'd say.
Wow.
Yeah, at least 2 feet. So there you have it. 2 feet of snow in Monson, Massachusetts. And they're still out walking in it.
Thanks, girls.
Hi, Jody.
I'm totally stuck right now. Oh.
Hi. I'm stuck in the snow bank. I cannot get out. Oh, help me, somebody. Trying to get this picture. Oh, hold on. Here it is. I think I got it now. Here it goes. Okay.
Over here. Oh, look at that, everybody. Oh.
Can you see?
Yes, he's interviewing.
Biggest snowstorm since 1978,
And it's not done yet.
and it's still going.
I was born in Cindy, so I don't know.
Really? Wow. So this is probably the most snow you've ever seen in Monson?
Yeah, I think definitely.
Yeah. Wow. So this is your blizzard of 2011.
Definitely.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you. That was 3 feet of snow.
Oh, it's 3 feet?
Yeah. We're almost up there right now, getting there.
We're getting there now.
Yeah, it's not going to stop till 11 p.m., so
What?
that's what they're saying.
Is that what they're saying?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, it's 8. Oh, maybe 8. Maybe I'm
They
wrong.
lied because last night there, by late afternoon, it was going to taper off.
Right, it was like
By about
just
6
afternoon
p.m.
time.
It's done, yeah.
Yeah.
And, well, guess what?
Yeah, that $1 million Doppler radar.
Yep.
Still can't get
Well,
it right.
The radar is all right. It's the idiots that read it.
Oh.
That's true.
And I have no faith in any weather people.
Yeah.
Because they've never been right day in their life. It's the only job that you can have where you're wrong all the time and you still get paid for it and can't get fired.
I would have to say that probably most New Englanders agree with that.
I gotta make sure it's. Gotta get over there so I can position it.
Oh, perfect, right there. Perfect.
Hi, this is from the blizzard of 2011, Monson, Massachusetts. 30 inches of snow and still coming down. This is Beth, my co-producer, my anchor, and my name is Melissa Lambert. And thank you for watching our video. And here comes the car. Go traffic coming by. Very dangerous.
Not recommended for children.
Don't do this at home.
Don't do this at home.
Definitely don't do this at home.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Okay, you're on. Come up here, right here. Closer to me, yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. This has been the channel for Monson, Massachusetts blizzard storm of 2011. 30 inches of snow. The snow is still falling. This is my co-producer, Beth. Thank you, Beth, for joining us today.
You're welcome, Melissa.
You're
Anytime.
welcome. Thank you for watching. Don't try this at home.
That was stupid. That was kind of thing.
It's 6 p.m. and this blizzard of 2011 is slowly winding down. We got 30 inches of snow, according to Brian Lapis and his $1 million Doppelganger.
It's on.
Okay.
So there you have it. Monson, Massachusetts, 30 inches of snow. Record-breaking totals since 1978. The storm is now winding down. I don't think so. There's still a lot of snow coming down. Hasn't stopped yet. We've already gotten 30 inches. Brian Lapis says it's almost done. Perhaps not. So thank you for watching our news for today. My name is Melissa Lambert, and I will be seeing you soon. Thank you for watching.